A great way to practice my reading is by using Bookflix. Bookflix has fiction and nonfiction books. I want to make sure I'm logged into my Round Rock ISD Gmail so I can get the username and password when I'm at home. Just click on the little lock and then click on Bookflix to open it. I'll get a page that has a username and passwords. I can log in. Because I already know how to use Bookflix, I'm going to skip the intro. On the front page, I can look at the featured fiction and nonfiction book, or I can choose some of my own. There's 9 categories. Let me look at imagination books. I can just scroll down to look at all the different pairs, or I can type in a search. I know I like pigeon books, so let me try this one first. When I click on it, I can watch the story or read the book. I'm going to click on watch the story. This is pigeon. It'll read it to me and I can follow along. Or I can mute and I can just practice reading it by myself. A really cool thing about this book is it tells me that it's also in Espanol. So when I click on Espanol, I can read the book in Spanish. Let's see. There's Pigeon. You know what he's going to say. He wants to drive the bus. I thought he'd never leave. Let's go check it out in Espanol. Now, when I'm done watching the story, I can click on read the book and my nonfiction book will pop up. I turn the pages by clicking on this arrow and I can page through the story. I can make the pages larger by clicking on this arrow, and I can also read in Espanol. Now I can read the book in Spanish. If I get to a word I don't know in read the book, I can just click on that word and it will help me. It will tell me what that word means, and I can listen to the author read it to me. I can even have this read to me by clicking on read along. Now, when I'm done with all my books, there are some little puzzlers I can do. It's called word match. I read the clues, and then I find the word that it's describing. Fact or fiction lets me practice statements that are facts or fiction, and in what came first, I will put the book in order. What happened first, next, or last. When I'm all done, if I still want to learn more, I can click on Explore the Web. There's all kinds of great websites about school safety and even why are school buses yellow? All kinds of things I'm curious about that I can learn more. If I want to know about the author, I click on Meet the Creators. This is Mo Willems. He's the author and illustrator of Pigeon. When I'm all done, if I want to read more, I can just click on the home button and I can choose some new books to read. I hope you enjoy Bookflix. It's a great way to practice your reading. If you have any questions, just check in with your campus librarian.